Welcome to this video. We're going to take you into the dashboard of Social Post Studio. When you log in, this is what you'll see. Of course, there won't be a project. The first thing that you'll do is add a project. Click Add. You give the project a name. So I'll call this just one there. Let's call it Test. Select a time zone. That will be the time zone where you are. There you go. So I've selected the GMT. Select Create, and that's your project created. Okay, so now you'll click on the project and you'll add accounts, and these will be the Facebook groups and names and so forth. So let's go and do that. Click on the accounts here and you'll click Add Account. Now the first account you need to add is a user because of course in Facebook it's the user that then has permissions to post to groups and pages. So what will happen is if I click user, I'm already accepted the app, but you'll be logged into Facebook and you'll just have to accept the app and click confirm. So I'm not going to do that because this is just a test and I've already got my account set up. So I'll take you to an account. So we'll cancel that. And let's go to projects and go to Social Post Studio where all of the accounts are already set up. So here you see lots of accounts. You can add as many Facebook profiles, groups, pages as you want to any project. And once you've done that, you're ready to go. So let me take you and show you some of the things. We'll go to the settings. So you can see we've already got the project name and the time zone. The APIs for the REST, R-E-S-T API, that's for more advanced users. We'll come back to that another time. Then we have link shortening where you can have your own bit.ly domain. Check in the members area for the tutorial on adding a bit.ly domain if you want to use one. You don't need to. I've enabled this, so if it wasn't enabled, you'd have to first enable it. Click the enable button. And that's the general settings there. So let's have a look. We've seen the accounts. Then we go to the messages. And this will have a list of all of the posts that you've made through Social Post Studio. You can have a look. These are just some test ones that we've put through. And you'll be able to see exactly how many people have clicked links, how many shares, how many comments, and also engagements and reactions there. And you can do this by date, so you can see how your posts are responding. Then we'll go on to schedules. So these are messages that have been sent and are scheduled, and it will tell you if they're queued, they're posted, failed or paused. And finally we've got here reports, where every day you can have a report that will show you what's going on in relation to your posts. So that is the Social Post Studio dashboard. If we were to do a post, let's take you to here. To do it, a post, all you do is click the schedule message. You're then going to click whether you're going to have a post for a status, which is just the text post, whether you're going to send a link, a photo, video, or a carousel. Carousel is very powerful for when you're selling products because you can add selected products. So if we were going to add a carousel, all we would do is click, you give the standard, the main message, you give the main link, and then you would add the carousel elements, which are a link, a picture or the URL for the picture, a link name, and the link description. And then you can add as many as you want, so it would be a moving carousel. And then in order to post it, you have to select the accounts that you want the post to go to. So you just click in here and then select the accounts that you're going to send the post to. And that's basically how it all works. Very simple. There will be a major update coming soon where you'll be able to select, automatically have it post from any website that has an RSS feed. So if we click the status, this is the standard status update for a page, which is just text, and you again would select the account, and you can decide, have it repeat, you select the time and date. If it's going to be a repeat, you can select an interval if you're sending it to more than one account, let me come back. If you're sending it to more than one account, you don't want it to post to all the accounts at the same time, so select an interval. Don't post too quickly, otherwise Facebook will think you're spamming, so have a decent time interval in minutes rather than a few seconds. So make this maybe 300 seconds, 5 minutes, something like that. And you can have the post delete as well after a certain amount of time rather than saving it. Okay, so there will be tutorials in the members area, but I just wanted to show you into the dashboard so you can see how Social Post Studio works, what it looks like, and how easy it is to set up. You don't need to create any Facebook apps, it's all done for you. It's literally log in, create the project, add the accounts, and then you're up and running. You can schedule messages to your accounts. Okay, I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.